Look at this space. The plush chaise lounge, the warm glow of the reading lamp, the hand-knotted Persian rug. A multi-million-dollar retreat. But you cannot actually visit this room. It doesn't exist. No architect drafted the floor plan, and no interior designer picked out the furniture. A machine generated the entire thing from scratch. If you want to imagine a better living space today, you do what everyone else does. You just scroll. You hunt through social feeds, waiting for a human being somewhere to upload a photo that matches your taste. It is a manual, exhausting search for inspiration. DreamRooms AI completely flips that old model. It delivers a continuous, passive stream of cinematic architectural visualizations, creating a feed of dream homes that populates automatically. Every 30 minutes, the platform generates and publishes a brand new 10-second cinematic video. Zero human intervention is required. This replaces the traditional search for human-made images with an automated, self-refreshing stream of architectural concepts. Left to their own devices, raw AI video generators struggle with physical reality. Ask them for a room, and they might give you a staircase that leads nowhere or a couch melting into a refrigerator. They produce chaotic, unusable outputs. To fix this, DreamRooms uses a logic pipeline. This is a strict algorithmic framework that enforces architectural realism before the AI even begins rendering the image. The pipeline operates in discrete steps. First, it deliberately locks in the category of the space, let's say a kid's room, and pairs it with a specific design style, like luxury modern. Next, the algorithm defines the environmental mood and the lighting atmosphere, such as festival lighting. It even dictates the exact cinematic camera movement to guide the viewer's eye. Then comes intelligent composition. Rather than letting the AI guess what goes inside, the system rigidly selects 10 to 15 coherent items and materials for populating the space, things like a loft bed, calicotta marble surfaces, and a soft beanbag chair. By explicitly naming the inventory, the logic prevents absurd combinations. You won't see a kitchen stove rendered next to the bed, nor will you see clashing historical design eras matched together. This structured sequence acts as a critical bridge. It takes the unpredictable potential of raw AI and forces it into a believable, highly curated architectural reality. Once the pipeline has made its selections, all those structured variables are compiled into one massive, highly specific text prompt. That exact instruction set is then routed automatically through Google Cloud, feeding directly into AI video generation models like Omni or Veo. Within moments, the models process the prompt and return a fully rendered 10-second cinematic loop. The system automatically generates thumbnails, stores the metadata, and pushes it live. Right here on the interface, you can see how this data is presented to the user. We are looking at the side panel of the video player, which openly displays the exact, dense prompt paragraph used to generate the luxury modern kids' room we are watching. Look closely at these dynamic categories below the player, like rainy cozy and warm sunset. These are driven by a continuous feedback loop. The system tracks how humans interact with the feed, only registering a view if someone watches a video for at least 3 seconds. When specific aesthetics gain traction, the algorithm pushes those favored styles into trending sections. If it is monsoon season, cozy rainy bedrooms start dominating the platform. This smart automation creates an ecosystem that actively learns and mirrors the real-time aesthetic desires of its viewers. As the generation of high-quality room concepts becomes a background task for the cloud, the platform begins to transition from a viewing gallery into a functional design tool. The next step ties straight into commerce. Users will soon be able to take these AI-generated videos and reverse engineer to spaces, letting the system hunt down affordable, real-world furniture that matches the generated pieces. Then comes direct personalization. You could snap a photo of your own cluttered living room, upload it, and watch as the AI instantly strips it to the studs and rebuilds it in whatever trending cinematic style you choose. The creation of beautiful, high-end interior concepts is no longer bottlenecked by the slow, expensive hours required for manual 3D modeling and rendering. Because this process runs on an automated loop in the cloud, generating new ideas is limited only by processing power, not human hours.